So what's up guys, I have a new install for you guys today. I got some new upper control arms for my hatch. They're from Trueheart. This is the front left one. And they're adjustable, so that's pretty cool. Comes with the upper control arm, the cotter pins, and then a sticker, and then the one for the other side. So yeah, it shouldn't be too hard of an install. I think it's like 2 bolts and 1 nut on the spindle. But I also have a new tail light that I got. And I don't know if people call it a 50-50, but here's what it looks like. It's like the one off the 99 2000 hatchbacks. I'll show you guys compared to the one I have. So these are like the stock 96, 98 taillights. And the previous owner sort of tinted them, and I don't think they look all too good. I think these will look a little bit better on them. Yeah. I guess let's get started with the install. So yeah, to take off the upper control arm on the spindle is just 1 nut right here, and then this bolt and this other bolt. So other than that, it shouldn't be too bad, but over here does seem a little bit tight. So if you have a like electric ratcheting ratchet, I would use that on that nut back there. But other than that, it shouldn't be too bad. So you're gonna want to put them right beside each other so you can get this one a little bit pretty close to the stock specs on this. But either way, after you put it in, I'd recommend getting an alignment. But I think I got it pretty close, but I don't know. But yeah, they should be good to put it in now. So this is what they look like installed. They're not all too bad to put in. Like I said, it's just this one on the spindle, this one nut on the spindle, and then this cotter pin, and then this bolt and this other bolt right here. And you might have to take off the line like I did for the brake booster, because every time I kept moving the ratchet, it kept just hitting that, so I just took it off to make it easier. So I was wanting to show you guys that you guys might have to take off your intake, because mine sits literally right here and blocks the bolt that goes in right here. And on the passenger side, you're also going to have to take out the battery so you can take off the bolt back here. And other than that, it's not too bad. And I was just wanting to show you how bad the old upper control arms are. You can literally move it so easily. And then the boot is torn right there. And yeah, it's not supposed to have that much play. This one, you can't move it. You have to put a lot of force to move this one. But yeah, I'm gonna get this put in and then show you guys the aftermath. So I have both of the upper control arms on, and the card really doesn't look different. I don't think it would look different. Besides, maybe it's just a hair higher. But other than that, it doesn't look different. Hopefully it does handle a little bit better, because these old ones were pretty shot. But yeah. Oh yeah, and my other taillight came in those boxes. I don't know why they didn't just ship them both at once. But yeah. So guys, it's the next day. It's either a day or two later, but I've been driving the hatch with the new upper control arms, and it does feel a little bit stiffer in the steering wheel. I'm sure that's because the old upper control arms were so worn, but it does feel a lot better now. And finally got the both of the taillights on. I think it looks a lot better. But yeah, overall the upper control arms aren't hard to do at all. They're actually pretty easy. I would recommend them for you guys to do. But yeah.